Today I am reviewing the Google Pixel 10a. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The shopping landscape is constantly shifting, but every single year, Google manages to drop a mid-range phone that completely redefines what we should expect for our money. This year is no exception with the release of the Google Pixel 10a. We are taking a deep, comprehensive look at the stunning Lavender version with 128GB of storage. If you are tired of phones that cost as much as a used car, but you still want elite cameras, incredible build quality, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence, the Pixel 10a is designed precisely for you. It serves as an unlocked Android masterpiece that gives you total freedom to choose any major carrier, whether you prefer Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, or Google Fi, letting you switch data plans whenever you want. Right away, the physical design of the Lavender Pixel 10a makes an unforgettable first impression. Google has completely refined the look this year, giving the phone a sleek, satin finish aluminum frame and a beautifully smooth, flat back panel where the camera bar sits perfectly flush. This means the phone lies completely flat on a table and slides effortlessly into tight jeans pockets without catching on anything. Do not let its premium aesthetic fool you, because this device is engineered to survive the chaos of daily life. It features high-grade Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection on the display for exceptional scratch and drop resistance, and it comes with an official IP68 water and dust protection rating. Whether you drop it in the mud at a music festival or accidentally spill a drink on it at dinner, your investment is thoroughly protected against real-world accidents. Once you turn the phone on, you are greeted by the magnificent 6.3-inch Actua display, which features a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The absolute headline feature of this screen is its mind-blowing 3000 nits of peak brightness. This is a massive upgrade that makes the display clear as day, even under direct, harsh afternoon sunlight. You can easily read text messages, navigate maps while walking outside, or preview your photos without needing to squint or block the sun with your hand. Powering this beautiful display behind the scenes is the custom-built Google Tensor G4 system chip, paired with an incredible 5,100 mAh battery. Google promises a phenomenal 30+ hours of battery life on a single charge, easily making this a true two-day phone for casual users and a worry-free powerhouse for heavy users who are constantly on the move. When you do finally need to plug in, it supports faster 30-watt wired charging to get you back up and running in no time. Of course, the primary reason most people choose a Google phone is for the legendary camera performance, and the Pixel 10a sets a brand new gold standard for mobile photography. On the back, you get a powerful 48-megapixel main sensor alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. What makes this camera truly magical is how Google leverages artificial intelligence to help you become a better photographer. This model introduces Camera Coach, a brilliant new feature driven by Gemini models that actively reads your environment in real time. It provides instant, helpful tips on framing, composition, and lighting right on your screen, allowing amateur shooters to snap breathtaking photos with ease. For group settings, the famous Add Me feature lets the photographer step into the frame by seamlessly blending two photos together, while the brand new Auto Best Take automatically analyzes multiple shots to ensure everyone is smiling. Blinking is eliminated, and every person looks their absolute best with a single press of the shutter. Beyond photography, the built-in Gemini artificial intelligence completely transforms how you interact with your smartphone every day. Gemini acts as an advanced personal assistant that can effortlessly screen spam calls in the background so you can stay focused on your work. You can have a natural, live back-and-forth conversation with Gemini to plan your entire weekly meal prep or handle complex tasks across your favorite applications. Creative minds will absolutely fall in love with Nano Banana, a cutting-edge image generation and editing tool built right into the Gemini and Google Photos ecosystem. With Nano Banana, you can use simple text prompts to blend completely different images together, reimagine the backgrounds of your photos, or apply wild, unique artistic styles to bring your imaginative ideas to life in a matter of seconds. Finally, Google ensures that buying a Pixel 10a is a long-term investment that keeps that fresh, new phone feeling for nearly a decade. The device comes with an unprecedented 7 years of official OS updates, security updates, and exclusive Pixel drops, meaning your software experience will actually get smarter, faster, and more secure over time. For physical safety, Google has also brought satellite SOS functionality to the A series for the very first time. If you ever find yourself lost hiking off the grid without any cellular towers or Wi-Fi networks in sight, the phone can connect directly to satellites to link you to emergency services. Between the massive battery life, the intuitive camera coach, the incredible Gemini AI features, and a breathtaking lavender finish, the Google Pixel 10a proves that you can get an elite, future-proof smartphone experience at a price that makes sense.